Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of summer cottage decor for 2024. Whether you're looking to refresh your space for the warm months or add a touch of seasonal charm, we've got you covered. Decorating on a budget doesn't mean compromising on style. With some creative ideas and a bit of inspiration, you can transform your cottage into a cozy retreat that embraces the spirit of summer. Let's explore some fantastic budget-friendly decorating tips that will help you create a beautiful, inviting atmosphere for this summer. One of the most effective ways to achieve a cozy cottage feel is by incorporating natural materials into your decor. Think wood, wicker, and stone. Wooden furniture adds warmth and character, while wicker baskets can serve as stylish storage solutions. To keep costs down, consider visiting local flea markets or thrift stores for second-hand pieces that can be easily restored. A simple coat of paint can breathe new life into old furniture, transforming it into a charming focal point in your home. Natural textures create a calming atmosphere, reminding us of the beauty of the outdoors, making it a perfect fit for summer cottage decor. For a summery vibe, opt for light and airy colors that reflect the beauty of the season. Soft pastels, whites, and earthy tones can instantly brighten up any space. Painting your walls in soft hues can make a room feel larger and more open, perfect for those sunny days. If a full paint job isn't in your budget, consider adding lighter accessories like throw pillows, curtains, and area rugs. Even a few strategically placed decor items can shift the mood of a room dramatically. This simple color change can evoke feelings of serenity and relaxation, making your cottage feel like a true summer retreat. Nothing says summer quite like fresh greenery and vibrant flowers. Incorporating plants into your decor can instantly uplift the ambience of your cottage. Consider using potted plants, hanging planters, or even a small herb garden in the kitchen for both aesthetics and functionality. If you're on a tight budget, opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents or even faux greenery that requires no upkeep. A vase of fresh flowers on the dining table or a windowsill adorned with small potted plants can bring life and color into your space. Remember, a touch of nature not only beautifies your home but also creates a calming environment that enhances your summer experience. One of the best ways to make your cottage feel like home is through DIY projects. Not only are they budget-friendly, but they also allow you to infuse your personality into your decor. From crafting your own wall art to repurposing old furniture, the possibilities are endless. Consider creating a gallery wall with your favorite family photos or painting a piece of furniture to match your summer color palette. You could even make your own throw pillows or blankets using inexpensive fabric. These personal touches will not only save you money but also create a unique space that tells your story. Don't forget to share your DIY successes with us in the comments below. Layering textiles is a fantastic way to add depth and warmth to your cottage decor. Mix and match fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool to create a cozy atmosphere. Start with a light linen tablecloth, add cotton napkins, and finish with a wool throw on the sofa. Consider using quilts, throws, and cushions in complementary colors to create visual interest. Layering also allows you to play with textures, which can make your space feel more inviting and lived in. If you're on a budget, don't hesitate to shop your own home. Sometimes all it takes is a little rearranging to give your decor a fresh look. Incorporating vintage and antique decor is an excellent way to add character to your summer cottage without spending a fortune. Scour local thrift stores, estate sales, and flea markets for unique pieces that tell a story. Old books, vintage kitchenware, or rustic wooden crates can all add a touch of charm to your space. Additionally, these items often come with a lower price tag than brand new decor. A well-placed antique piece can become a conversation starter, enriching your home's narrative. So, don't overlook the beauty of history when curating your cottage decor. Don't forget about your outdoor areas when decorating for summer. Creating a cozy outdoor space can enhance your cottage's charm and provide a perfect spot for relaxation. Use budget-friendly outdoor furniture like picnic tables, colorful cushions, and fairy lights to create an inviting atmosphere. Add a few potted plants or hanging lanterns to make your space feel more enchanting. If you have a porch, consider incorporating a swing or rocking chairs for that quintessential cottage feel. Outdoor spaces should be just as inviting as your indoor areas, providing you with a summer oasis to unwind and enjoy the beauty around you. And there you have it. With these budget-friendly decorating tips and creative ideas, you can bring new life to your home and create a cozy, inviting summer cottage atmosphere. Remember, it's all about embracing natural materials, playing with light colors, and adding personal touches that reflect your style. Whether you opt for DIY projects or hunt for vintage finds, each choice contributes to a space that feels uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite summer decorating ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!